My name is Myra and I work as a counselor. I see individuals and couples, and I also volunteer for the Commission of Disabilities, and we're getting kind of a glimpse of how I get around. I mainly am around the Northwest area. I also work at PSU. If it's further, then I will either use kind of like Uber. So I travel in very different ways around Portland. I usually walk around here because there's a bunch of different great places for disabled individuals to eat at or have meetings. Transporting here, or it's really easy because you have the Portland streetcar. I find it a little bit more unreliable to use the buses. It's just difficult to get on there because if they're full, you can't get on, so you have to wait. And so if you miss one stop, you miss the next stop that you might need to take. The MAX is a little bit more difficult to navigate. There's just a lot more people and there's a lot more traffic, and maneuvering in a wheelchair can be very difficult on the MAX sometimes. Overall, I enjoy walking around downtown. There's a lot of parks, there's a lot of beauty.